Good morning. It is super early, but it is time to head down to Rock Center. I am so excited for the Today Show.
All right, you guys, I am up way too early, heading over to the Today Show. We're gonna be on at 10:40 is my segment, but I will be on starting from 8 a.m. doing some teases and some tips. So catch me on the Today Show. See you then. Thanksgiving tips. Here we go. Okay. Every single year for the past couple of years, I've been lucky enough to be invited back to the Today Show Thanksgiving chef gathering. It's amazing. It's truly one of my favorite times of the year, and I'll be there having fun from 7 till like 9:15, where I'll have a segment talking about my dad's prime rib. Tune in if you're watching Today's Show this morning. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and you're gonna see a little giddy me. See you on soon.
Just taking a video of you putting it on.
I was like, are we hiding it and be like, I can play it. You guys get the program.
Right here, guys. We're about to be on it. I'm literally dying. I'm literally dying because I just met Martha Stewart. And I am like shaking. Look at this. I'm shaking.
5 seconds.
Orange nails you got going.
Oh, I
didn't even notice them.
I got a fever.
Okay.
There you go. We gonna have. What do we think? Nice. Okay, next time we come up with our own. Johnson, what is the worst advice you've ever received? To not quit my job and to continue to work a 9 to 5 for the benefits. Keep moving. That didn't.
So I have to wait for this, or can I help myself?
Hello, congratulations.
That's a man. That's a man.
Oh wow! Okay, it's almost my turn, but I'm also here with amazing chef. Hell yeah, she did that. Oh, we're ready?
She ready? Ready to serve up the sides, but take it back and down. The end of their segment. QR code. Let's start off with some green beans, a festive thing. Danielle, what do you got for us?
Yes, and you got to be well organized for Thanksgiving. And I have cooked my green beans about.
Guys, just use that like you want to have.
Yeah.
I love it. Everything looking good, we.
Yeah, Daniel Boulud.
You didn't know it was good luck?
Yes, it is. It's just like the turkey at the White House. It's got to be sacrificed.
We sacrificed one turkey already. So we had Today's Show this morning, our annual Thanksgiving chef extravaganza, and this really fun thing happened during Elizabeth's segment. I had already gone and I was waiting, and look what happened. Okay, so while Elizabeth was doing her segment, I was hanging out right over here. Hold on, we'll see it in just a second. Here we go, beautiful molds that Elizabeth made. And then here I am. Uh-oh, look at that. Martha comes over and asks me about my recipe, so I'm telling her all about tembleque. Look at that. Just teaching Martha Stewart how to make tembleque. She tried it and she said it was lovely. So How wild is that? Martha Stewart comes over to me while Elizabeth was doing her segment and asked me all about it. I told her all about tembleque. I told her about how I grew up eating it, how to make it. She tried it. She loved it. I told her you can make it fancier and do kind of layer it with a passion fruit curd. She loved that idea. I was like, I'm fancy too, Martha Stewart. What a morning. Look at that.
Eddie,
Yes.
you're making something very cool, stuffing muffins.
Yes, so I didn't grow up here either. I grew up in Lebanon.
Oh my God.